Today I'm going to share with you all how to grill steak with halogen turbo convection oven. Very tasty and delicious. First, these are the ingredients I'm going to marinate. I use raw ginger powder. I use garlic powder. You can add whatever to your taste. And I add some salt. And then some black pepper to whatever the taste to your design. And I also add classic triple sec. It has 30 proof. It does have an orange flavor to it. And I'm going to use beef tenderizer. I have the other one too, but it's too hard to clean. But it's more professional. And I am also use a thermometer to tell if the meat, if you want medium rare or well done. And this one is called thermomapping. It tells you exactly. But if you don't have it, just use a knife and cut in the center of this a little bit, and you can tell right away. First, I'm going to use beef tenderizing to go around all the surface of the meat. But if you don't have it, you can also use a fork or toothpick, either way, and you can go like this. It do the job. Same thing. So this is what I'm going to do first in this side. And then I will flip over to the other side. I repeat the same procedure. This beef tenderizing, when you put the seasoning like garlic, it will soak in inside this meat right here. And now I'm add some garlic powder on this side. And when it's done, I will flip over the other side and I repeat the same procedure. And I will let it stand for 10 to 20 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the better it will taste. Look at that, like garlic powder. You can put any seasoning at your wish to your taste. And now I put ginger powder. And I spread it all around. Just like it's working inside the meat. And now I add some black pepper. And I add some sea sauce. And I add a few rub of triple sec to enhance the flavor. And then I will flip it the other side. We repeat the same procedure. And let the longer you let it stay, marinate, the better it tastes. But I'm gonna do it quick. And now I'm add some garlic powder on this side, and when it's done, I will flip over the other side and I repeat the same procedure, and I will let it stand for 10 to 20 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the better it will taste. Look at that, like garlic powder. You can put any seasoning at your wish to your taste. And now I put ginger powder. And I spread it all around, just like it's working inside the meat. And now I add some black pepper. And I add some sea sauce. And I add a few rub of triple sec to enhance the flavor. Look, you all can see, this is the list of the halogen turbo convection oven. The button right here is the temperature. It can go up to 480 degrees. And over here it is the timer, how long you want to cook it. This is the handle, and it also acts like a switch. When you open up, the turbo turn off. But when you put this button right here and you close it, it will turn on, just like a light switch, on and off. And if you want it off, pull it out. And like you can see underneath here, this is what I call the fan inside here. As you can see, these are the halogen light, and along with this, it does have a coil. It's heat up. So when it reaches to certain temperature, the fan kick it in and produce the heat circle around. You see, this is the fan for the. When the fan kick it in, it turn on. The heat will travel from here to here all around. Look, you all can see they have two racks. This is the low one, and the other one is higher. And I put it in here. And underneath here, I put this aluminum foil. So when the fat come down, I don't have to wash it too much because I'm a lazy person.
It's actually not quite done.
Now, it's about 20 minutes now. I'm beginning to put the steak inside here. And then I will turn on the heat. Now I close the lid. I reset the temperature at 375 degrees F for 8 minutes. This is tell you the power, this is the heat. And once you put the button down and look at what magic happened. The light is on, everything is on. Isn't that lovely? This is very convenient because it uses electrical. You can take any place where they have electrical. You don't have to be inside. You can be outside. I cook it for 8 minutes and I go from there. I and then I can use my thermometer, or sometimes they call it thermomapping. It is more accurate. But if you don't have, that's okay. Use a knife and cut it off. As you can see right now, it's cooking. But when I hold up the handle, it's like a switch. It turns off everything. See, this is the handle right here.